Today I'm back with a short video. I will be taking off the front bumper, changing the foam. I will be replacing the roof molding. Then I need to figure something out with these side skirts. So this is okay. But on the other side this is damaged. So I need to rebuild the front section for this side skirt. So let's go. Let's gently remove the front bumper. Here you can see the damaged foam, so let's replace it. The front bumper already is installed with the fog lights and all the other accessories. So let's take off the damaged foam. Here you can see the new one, so let's compare them. They are exactly the same, so new foam goes back on, and after that we will install the bumper. Installation basically reverse of removal, just a few clips. I need to make sure that the foam is sitting right into the bumper, so just last checkup, and the last clip is on. Our next task is to install the roof molding. Make sure there is no dirt in the groove. Next I will apply a little bit of epoxy and then carefully let's set it in place and let it cure. Next, I will need to remove the side skirts, but before that I need to raise the car a little bit so it will be easier for me to remove them. But before that, let's install the hood latch. So it's held on by two screws. There's the first one, second one, and let's check, is the hood opening as it should be. Perfect, looks great, so now we can move on to the roof molding installation. All the brackets are in, let's just clean up a little bit the groove. Now the satisfying part, just clicking the molding in place. Just 4 pins, first, second, third and the last one. So molding is on. This is the fun part, rolling on the concrete and trying to get off this side skirt. It's pretty dirty job, as you can see. So a little bit of force, some hand trauma, and the side skirt is off. Little bit of editing magic and both side skirts are off. Let's check the damage, compare the side skirts. Let's carefully make the template for the front section of the damaged side skirt. Just carefully, let's draw the outline. There it is, looks great. Now we only need to cut it out. Let's break it off, last cut, and there it is, front section of the side skirt. Let's check how it looks. Looks good. Now we only need to figure out how to attach this to our broken side skirt. I think some L-shaped plastic pieces will do the job. Just drill some holes, rivets, and the magic is there. If you already made this far, I would greatly appreciate if you drop some likes, maybe subscribe to the channel. This would help me immensely. Let's take some measurements so we are sure that the new piece is sitting right into place. Last few rivets and then last check, and then we can attach the front section. And just like that, in this windy day, the side skirt is ready. Later on, I will just need to fill in those gaps and make it beautiful. This is how they look side by side. Of course, you can see the rivets, but it is not a problem. Next time I will be finishing up some small things and then the certification. Thanks for watching, and of course you can check full video series how the car looked before.